Alright, I want to do a quick video on this CyberPower PC compared to the if you build it yourself. Basically, Best Buy has the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme Intel Core i7-11700F with the GeForce 3060 Ti. Right now it's going for $15.99. For the past week it's going for $13.99. And I would assume that over the next few weeks, before Christmas, that it's going to be going back to $13.99 again. iBuyPower just changed their price from $15.99 to $13.99 today. So I would think that CyberPower is going to be switching and they're going to be fighting off. I kind of like the CyberPower one better, but this is what the price is going for now as a pre-built machine, $15.99. But remember, you could probably get it for $13.99, and I paid $13.99. So I'm going to show you what it would cost to build this if you want to build it yourself right now. Okay, if you're going to build that system, that one I just showed you, the CyberPower one, it would cost you $19.33 if you built it yourself right now. It's basically $964 just for the computer without the GPU, and the GPU right now is running like $970. I know that's a big rip-off right now for the CPU, but expect to pay at least $599 in the future for that CPU. I mean for the GPU. So you're still talking, you know, like $1933 minus $1399 is $600 difference. Even if the CPU went down, let's say $300, you're talking $300 difference there. The only thing on the system that it would really change out is the CPU cooler. They use a Cooler Master i7 1C, and as you can see, it's only $19.99 for that cooler. I'm going to replace mine with a different cooler that costs $38, and you could get I'll show you a video on how to do that, but basically it hopefully be just a plug and play kind of thing. I won't have to do much to it. I'm looking at the IC dual fan CPU cooler right now. So I want to show you what the prices look like today if you were to build this. $19.33.